Hey guys, and welcome to another edition of Ask William. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Insta360 One X2 by Insta360, classified by many to be the best 360-degree camera currently on the market. The Insta360 is a revolution in how we take video and photos, shooting in 5.7K at 30 frames per second for 80 minutes on a single charge, puts this tiny 149-gram camera in a league of its own. Here are some of the main features of this camera. As mentioned before, the Insta360 One X2 uses dual lenses to capture 360 and is capable of shooting in 5.7K resolution. The Insta360 can be used as a single lens camera. The advantage of using the camera in this way is that it has built-in stabilization, which will give you a Steadicam shot without a stabilizer. This is made possible by FlowState Stabilization, which is currently seen as the stabilization out there. The horizon lock feature automatically detects the horizon and fixes all mistakes you make during shooting by detecting the horizontal line on any surface. All footage can be edited using the Insta360 app on your smartphone or tablet, and then can be posted to your favorite social media like YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. Drone-like shots can be achieved by using the invisible selfie stick feature. This feature removes the selfie stick out of your footage, giving the impression that your camera is floating in the air just like a drone would. Here are just a couple of effects you can achieve with your Insta360 app or software. Blow your friends' minds by using the bullet time handle or cord to shoot bullet time shots straight out of the matrix. You can control both the speed and the angle of your footage using the hyperlapse function. This can be done either on your phone or on your PC. With ShotLab, you can create cinematic effects using the built-in templates to make your edits stand out from the rest. Deep Track allows you to lock on any object. Then the subject recognition will keep any people, animals, or other moving objects in your shot. Using Freeze Frame, you can freeze a moment in time and show your viewers a 360-degree perspective that no still camera can achieve. Mimic a FPV drone by using the fly-through feature to shoot long continuous shots in tight spaces where a drone won't be able to fly through. The auto frame function reframes your 360 shots and automatically finds the best angles you might have missed. Make your photos and videos look better and more dynamic by adjusting the HDR function included in the Insta360 One X2. Multi-view allows you two camera angles at the same time. This can give your viewers a perspective of what is in front of your camera while vlogging. And finally, the Insta360 One X2 is waterproof up to 10 meters without an external case, and the Aquavision feature will balance out your underwater footage without an external filter. More features include 4 microphone surround sound, 55% more power than the One X, Apple Watch control, as well as voice control via your AirPods, GPS smart remote, and many more. With all that said and done, let's get to the unboxing. The packaging is very sturdy and everything is well displayed, wrapped in a thin layer of plastic. On the side, you can see some of the key features, like 5.7K 360-degree capture, Steadicam mode, FlowState Stabilization, the invisible selfie stick, waterproof up to 33 feet or 10 meters, AI editing, 4 microphone 360-degree audio, hyperlapse, and voice control. On the back, it gives you an indication what's in the box, which includes the camera, a protective pouch, 1 battery, a charging cable, the warranty card, and the quick start guide. On the other side, you can see some of the examples of what the camera is capable of. Okay, let's get rid of the plastic and slide off the top of the box. Inside, the Insta360 is face up with a protective plastic covering the lenses and LCD screen. Below it, you will find a white box containing the rest of the contents. Inside that box, you'll find a smaller box containing a silicone gel pack and the charger cable. The rest of the box contains a guide to waterproofing, the warranty card, the quick start guide, and a pair of stickers. The protective pouch is made from a thick, high-quality stretchable material that fits the camera perfectly. Not mentioned on the outside of the box, also included is a microfiber cloth for cleaning the LCD screen and the 2 lenses. Now remove all stickers, but just remember that these are outward protruding lenses and they will get scratched very easily. The LCD screen is also a nice addition that the One X did not have. Remove the battery by pulling these 2 clips towards each other. Upon reinserting the battery, make sure that both clips has a black piece next to it. If any of these two are orange, it means that the battery is not completely secure. Above the battery, you will find a USB Type-C port for charging and file transfer. On the other side, you can see the speaker holes as well as the microphones. When removing the battery, you can place a separately bought micro SD card in the slot provided. With your card logo facing forward, slide the micro SD card into the slot till you feel it click into place. Pressing the power button on the side will power up your device. The small LCD screen will now be visible and you can select your desired angle. Note, you will need to install the Insta360 app on your phone or tablet before you can use the camera. Press the power button again to power off the device. See the description of this video for a list of the full specs of this camera. And this is what's in the box. The Insta360 One X2, the protective pouch, a microfiber cloth, the USB cable, a pair of stickers, the waterproofing guide, your quick start guide, and the warranty card. Remember that the warranty does not cover misuse, accidents, or normal wear and tear. And that's it, a short review and unboxing of the Insta360 One X2. If you have any suggestions or ideas you'd like me to do on the Insta360, please let me know in the comments below. And like always, if you found this video to be helpful, like, subscribe and hit that bell notification to be notified when I upload more videos like this. From me, William, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.